Welcome back to Fail Proof Kitchen Season 4. My name is Jenna Fail.
And I'm Chef Robbie Jester. We have some exciting new recipes for you. Let's get cooking.
So what are we doing today, Robbie?
So today we're gonna make an awesome breakfast scramble. It's gonna feature our protein sticks. In this case, we got jalapeno heat.
Nice.
The best thing about this recipe is it's fast, it's super simple, you can make it in minutes, and it really is protein packed and a great start to your day.
I agree.
So let's start with 4 eggs, 1 whole egg, 3 whites.
Perfect. And that's just a great way to reduce the fat too, using the whites of an egg versus the yolks as well, because you do have some fat in the protein stick.
And we're gonna add a little cheese as well. So we wanna be cognizant, we don't wanna just keep adding, one category of macros on top of itself. We wanna make sure that we're rounding it out. We're going with a protein focus.
We're being calorie conscious, which is always great, especially starting your day like this. And this is very filling, and that protein is going to help power through your morning, and you can feel great about making great choices throughout the rest of the day.
So we have our protein stick here. You could do 1 protein stick if you want. You're really going after it, you could do 2, but we're just gonna slice them nice and thin. And it's kind of gonna act a little bit like pepperoni would in this case. We're gonna slice them nice and thin. We're gonna go into our pan with those first, because that's gonna render out a little bit of that fat, but it's gonna make them nice and crispy and brown and delicious.
So I'm gonna whip this up?
Yeah, let's whisk it up, yep.
Salt, pepper at this point or no?
No,
I feel like that's a debate.
It is a debate on whether to salt the eggs now or salt them after. I am a salt during kind of guy. The reason being is I feel like when you salt them at this point, you get a little bit of different texture in there that maybe isn't necessarily something that we like.
Okay. So
while I'm finishing with this, can you put a little bit of olive oil in our pan?
I sure can. How much? Maybe a couple tablespoons?
Yeah, maybe like 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. So we have our pan on medium-high heat here. Probably a little bit more on the medium side than medium-high. Now we're gonna go in with our protein stick. You're gonna hear that sizzle in the pan. That sizzle means flavor. You just kind of move things around a little bit.
Now you could do any flavor with this too. I love the jalapeno, but one of my favorites for breakfast is actually the beef and cheddar, because that cheese kind of comes out a little bit and it's so nice with the eggs.
Just gonna move them around there.
Moving quick. Look at them curling up already, getting crispy.
Yep. It's like my favorite kind of pizza is when you get pizza and it's got the little curling pepperonis. So we have curling protein sticks here at First Phorm. So now that they have some nice color going on them, we're gonna go in with our eggs. Again, 3 egg whites, 1 whole egg. And we're gonna take our plastic spatula, and the easy way to do this is to just kind of move the edges in and tilt the pan. You let the egg run around the sides of the pan here.
You're going omelet style with this.
I'm going omelet style.
Generally, I go with the scramble just because it's easy. I'm a little impatient, and
we might have you try and flip this.
Robbie.
I did the hard part. The flipping part's easy. Let's season it first though. The beautiful part about it is when we flip it, if we fail, it turns back into that scramble we're talking about. All right, so you're gonna flip this.
Would I flip it away from me or towards me? That's.
Yep, so you're gonna give it shake and a tilt down to the bottom of the pan. Okay, up and boom, that's pretty good. Now drop it.
Robbie's gonna fix it now.
Yep, now I'm gonna fix it. So if you have a busted omelet like that on the bottom, we're gonna turn our heat off. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna grate a little bit of cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna stick it back together with cheese. That's a great thing.
We sure are.
Do you want a big grain or a small?
Big is fine.
Okay.
And we love fresh grated cheese for the reason that it doesn't have all the powdered stuff and the non-caking agents and all that extra stuff. Usually it's like cornstarch or potato starch. So when we fresh grate our own cheese, it really is just a better product altogether.
It melts so much faster.
It melts so much faster. Better for us. And then we can take and flip this to close it.
You'd never even know.
You'd never even know. And then we can just go straight onto our plate. We have our beautiful, could be a scramble, could be an omelet. Great macros on this.
Packed with protein.
Packed with protein, packed with flavor too, because we used all of that delicious protein stick in the final product. So we should taste it. Let's grab some forks. And it really is that simple. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try.
I'm gonna go, I see a lot of cheese over here and some crispy jalapeno protein stick. Oh, look at that, what a bite.
like everything you want in breakfast. It tastes luxurious without having all the extra yolks in there. So good. Salty.
Over 40 grams protein.
Mm-hmm.
And it is salty because you have that jalapeno protein stick.
Yeah, but not overly.
Not overly, not at all.
Fresh cheese is gooey. Thumbs up. How fast was that? How easy was that? And if you like recipes like this, you should like, share, and subscribe.
And ring that bell for post notifications.
We'll see you on the next one.